Good morning, everybody. So my name is Lebogang Mabasa. Some people call me Lebogang because of the, but it's Lebogang. And yeah, thank you for taking some time to hear me out. And today I'll be talking about how to fortify your networks. So just a little bit of background in terms of Fortinet. Fortinet is the biggest cybersecurity company in the world. Um, we started off in 2000. I'm sure most of you guys still know Fortinet as the firewall company. We've grown and gotten bigger than just the firewall company. That's what I also talk about. We've put a lot into R&D in terms of investment, R&D, over 2 billion. And my presentation will show that we are constantly innovating and bettering our products to help secure our customers. Cool. So in terms of Fortinet, we have quite a few accolades from independent industry analysts, from IDC, Forrester, and one that most customers love looking at, Gartner. And we are playing in 8 of the reports in the Gartner Magic Quadrant. Again, in terms of R&D, we're constantly innovating. We have twice as much patents compared to our competitors, and this is a sign to show that we are constantly bettering our solutions and investing a lot in the development of our cybersecurity solutions. So Fortinet has what we call our FortiGuard AI. This is our brain, our machine learning AI that has trillions of events, which is compiled from over 6 million firewalls across the world, 3 million web gateways, 20 million emails, 10 million endpoints, and 5 million sandboxes. So it's a shared intelligence that gets pushed to all our customers. So if we find something happening a 0 day in Canada, we are able to share the event and stop it with customers, let's say in Namibia. So that's our shared intelligence with over a trillion millions of events that are happening every single day. So Fortinet contributes to the society with various initiatives. So we have global collaborations such as Interpol, the Cybersecurity Policy and Law, just to crack down on hackers. We have pledged to net zero in terms of respecting the environment. We have pledged to having 1 million people trained in cybersecurity by 2026. Just to touch a little bit on that, so Fortinet does offer free self-paced training on most of our solutions. So yeah, that's our initiative to give back in terms of closing the cybersecurity skills gap worldwide. And yeah, promoting responsible business. So looking at traditional networking, everything was built on trusting everybody and everything into organization. And that has come with some challenges when you trust anybody into your organization. So how do you fortify your networks? You fortify it by converging your networking and going into what we call secure networking. So previously, all organizations we used to trust everything and connect everything. Connections were based on IP addresses. But now we have to look at moving from traditional networking to secure networking, where we trust nothing, check everybody, and now the cool word in the industry is zero trust. So now connections are based on applications, content, users, devices, and locations, and not just IP addresses. So we have critical technologies to enable convergence with our 40OS operating systems, which integrates over 30 security and networking functions, and our ASICs, which is our industry leading, which gives price and good performance and good energy consumption. So we have the world's most powerful networking security operating systems, which supports over 30 networking and cybersecurity functions, which I'll also touch a little bit on. So we have continuous ASICs development and investment in terms of our SPU and network processing. And with more new applications added, our security processing unit basically doubles in terms of performance and applications. So obviously, like I said, we started off with just the firewall at SP2. Now we're at SP5, where we have basically doubled our price and performance and applications with over 15 applications. So in terms, this is small. So we are the only company with the same operating system across all network security markets. So this is basically the Gartner Magic Quadrant, where we are a leader in 3 of the quadrants, specifically network firewalling, SD-WAN, wired, and LAN. We've become challengers in terms of single vendor SASE, security services edge, and now recently, a couple of months ago, we've entered the major quadrant when it comes to SIEM. And it's very important to note that everything operates on the same operating system across all of these technologies. So again, the Fortinet Security Fabric platform. So it's the only cybersecurity platform delivering unprecedented integration and automation. All of these technology, again, same one operating system, one management pane of glass, one analytics engine, unified endpoint agent, and AI-powered services. So all of these technologies that you see here have the same operating system. And it also goes back to looking at what Gartner predicts in the next couple of years in terms of trying to consolidate most of your technologies. So this will give organizations quite some leverage, having the same operating system for most of your technologies, and also looking at combating the lack of skills in organizations when it comes to cybersecurity. So again, the only cybersecurity platform delivering unprecedented integration and automation, one operating system, one management pane, one analytics engine, unified endpoint agent with our 40 clients. And all of this is again powered by our AI-powered security services and tools. So our FortiGuard AI-powered services protects against the known, unknown, zero-day and emerging threats, which is the shared intelligence that gives our customers that advantage from all around the world, sharing that same intelligence from our firewalls, emails, and the rest of our technologies to protect you. So there's quite a few ways that we can fortify your network. So these are integrated solutions that solve your the customer problems. And these are most of our solution portfolio. Looking at how do you secure your networking, there's quite a few solutions that we can do that with. Looking at unified SASE, quite a few solutions that we can offer organizations. And security operations, how to build your own SOC and manage some of your security operations. And yeah, I'll be around here with the Exclusive Network booth, so we can touch on each of these solutions to see how we can better your operations at each of your organizations. Thank you.